Hello, my name is Krista, and I want to encourage deaf people to work in the medical field. It's important that deaf people go to college and get a degree in the medical field for jobs like doctors, nurses, pediatricians, OBGYNs, midwives, and so on. The reason is deaf people need these kinds of services. Also, it'd be wonderful for parents and deaf children to have the experience of seeing deaf professionals working with adults and children to meet their needs. And to inform parents of appropriate places to go for medical needs. OBGYNs would be good because they can help deaf people have a wonderful birthing experience, especially since many times deaf people have difficulty finding a doctor who can understand their communication needs and so forth. That would be nice. A midwife would be great for home births. Many deaf people would like to give birth at home. And they may not know what to do. A deaf midwife would understand the equipment like a TTY and how to get in touch and how to communicate easily with a deaf person. Deaf pediatrician would be great because deaf children would be comfortable signing one-on-one without having to hire an interpreter. And that way children won't feel uncomfortable, such as when the people are talking with the doctor and their parents. The children feel cheated and left out. Oftentimes children want to know what's being discussed, and sometimes parents aren't willing to share information with their children. If there were a deaf doctor, that would be perfect. The kid could know what's being discussed without feeling frustrated or left out. That would be really cool. I think it's important to go to college and get a degree in the medical field. Oh, and another one we really need is an ENT, an ear, nose, and throat specialist. That's important because it's often the first place that doctors send deaf children to get testing, services, referrals, and other ideas. That would be perfect if it could be done. It'd be a wonderful experience and something we really need.